How far, my guys? I see my quick update to now. I've been backtesting this strategy now for over 3 weeks, and the strategy is insane. The win rate is massive. Now, how does it play out? First things first, we must understand that structure controls the market. Wherever you can identify the structure, you are in the right track. So first things first, we must identify the structure. Now, how do we identify the structure? Let me just go straight into this live trade first. I'll tell you that later. This particular trade, this is Chess USDT. You can see the structure is bearish, right? Let me zoom into 4 hours or 1 hour. So you see the structure is bearish. Can you see? We're making lower lows and we're making lower highs. So the structure is completely bearish. Now, all you have to do is to wait for a break of structure that leads into a sweep of liquidity. Now, can you see a break of structure here? If you can see this, this is going to be the holy grail for you. So if you can see this, we have a BOS here. We have a break of structure that leads us into a displacement. Into what? A liquidity sweep. This is a liquidity sweep here. Now, how do we know this is a liquidity sweep? That's the big question. Now, a liquidity sweep, which I like to trade very well, usually we have low resistance and high resistance. So I'm going to break it down. This is a low resistance liquidity. Look at this image here. Look at this schematic. I love trading this pattern a lot. All right. Now, this is a low resistance liquidity. Low resistance liquidity usually has a failed swing. Right? Now, it simply means that price attempted to break and form a new high, but there was no liquidity left to be taken, meaning this is the final liquidity that was taken out. So therefore, price was retraced massively, leaving fair value gaps. Right? This is called low resistance liquidity. It's an ICT concept. Right? I trade it a lot. It's called failure swing pattern. So there's no liquidity to be taken again, meaning everything here has been swept. Now, if we had something like this, for example, it means that liquidity was resting here, but it has been taken, meaning price could still come back and take out this one again, this final one here. But since we already know where the liquidity stopped, which is this, we already know, okay, liquidity has stopped here. It's no longer taking anybody out. Good, perfect. Fair value gap. We come back here, we take our entry. And so simple. Now, let's see how it played out here. Played out here. Look at the structure. Look at it. It's currently playing out. This is a trade that is currently playing out right in front of us. So this is what I will do. So I came here, look at the failure swing, and then price began to tank. And it came back here to this other block, created the same thing, created the same failure swing pattern. The same failure swing pattern. Also here again, created the same failure swing pattern. And you can see how this market moves in clear and simple terms. Are you feeling me right now? Clear and simple terms, my brother, my sister. Simple and short. No need to stress yourself. So obviously, where is the next draw on liquidity? Next draw on liquidity will be this low right here. It cannot be this high. It cannot be this point. Now, why do I say it cannot be this point? This is a live trade. Oh. I mean, this trade, I'm already in profit. It cannot be here. It can't be here because, now, it cannot be here because the other block here was supposed to push price up, but it's already failing. It is failing already. So this other block will not hold. Now, this point here will also not hold because there's low volume coming in from here. You can see the way price was staggering. The only point that could have held was this point here, but it's not going to hold. All right, this is live trade I'm teaching you guys. You know the drill. Subscribe to this channel, share, like, drop a comment. Any video at all that you would like MJ to produce, just let me know, comment section. All right, so basically we're going to wait for, if you've missed this first entry, you can get in the fair value gap right here again. You can get in somewhere around here. Or conservatively, this fair value gap. Because this was the initial fair value gap that was created, that created this drive to the downside. So if you miss the first one, you can get in on the second one. Get in on the second one. Get a good risk to reward of about 1 to 4.5, which is very, very okay as a bad guy. All right, so I say just be my brother, my sister. So if you need the mentorship course, it's actually available. Link is going to be in the description of this video. Get the course, it's $30, and you're actually going to get lifetime premium signals as well. So do what you have to do to keep making money in this space. My name is MJ Crypto. One love. You guys know I love you so much. That's why I came back again to start making these videos for you guys. All right, so we'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Stay nice, stay sharp, live healthy. Don't look for trouble.